Hello students, so this is me Shivani Sood from B Shaw classes, and in today's lecture we are going to start a new chapter of class 12th macroeconomics, excess demand and deficit demand. So to get further into this chapter we need to clarify some of the smaller topics like what is desire, what is want and what demand actually is. So first of all, desire could in easy terms could be said as wish. So for example, if I have 30,000 in my bank account and I wish to buy a 20 lakh worth rupees of a car, so at this required amount of money in my account, I am not able to satisfy my wish. So that is considered as my desire. I wish to buy it, but I do not have the capacity to fulfill my wish. That is considered as desire. But want is an extension of desire in which we have the capacity to satisfy our wants. For example, if I have 30 lakhs in my bank account and I wish to buy the same 20 lakh worth rupees of car, but now I'm at a situation where I can satisfy my wants because I have that required balance in my account. So this would be considered as my want because now I'm at a situation where I can satisfy my desires. So desires and wants are totally different. Now when it comes to demand is a further extension of want and which is dependent on two characteristics. The first is demand is always with reference to a price, and second, demand is always referred with respect to time. So what we can conclude from this is demand is nothing but the quantity of a commodity that a person is willing and able to buy at the given price level during a given period of time. So this is basically the definition of demand, and if you like this video then you can directly subscribe to my channel and we can have a lot of discussion more about this chapter.